Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back on another YouTube video, and if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a return subscriber, what's up?
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day.
Alrighty, guys. So as you guys can tell by the title and this fire intro of mine, you guys know today we're gonna do a natural glam video. So before we get into the video, I do want to give a small disclaimer. There is a big difference between my natural everyday and natural glam makeup. Natural glam, as you guys see, is giving glam, is giving the girls okay. The only reason why I call it natural is because it's just basically like blending a shadow on my eyelid. It's not really eye work or any, you know, detail. If you want to wear something like this every day, you definitely can, but this is something that I would opt for if I'm going out, maybe like on a date, or I'm just hanging out somewhere nice, like a concert or something. I don't want to like do too much on my eyes, but I still want to give glam. I still want to be photo ready, video ready, picture ready, all of that. This is for my baddies. This is for my girls that are ready to step their makeup game up. One thing about me, I'm going to give you guys a detailed, beginner friendly video while trying my best to use all affordable products. If you guys are interested in seeing how we slayed this face, how we beat this face down to the gods, give me your hand. Get ready, because when you do it, you're gonna look just as good as me. You're gonna be like, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Jesus, for making me subscribe to this girl. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, I'm taking the Equate Astringent, and this is like something just to clean my skin and prep my skin for the makeup. I usually opt for the Noxzema wipes, but today I'm just using what I have. And girl, I was choking up. Like, this stuff be so motherfucking strong. Oh, I'm not cursing anymore. So freaking strong. Next up, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer in Holy Hydration. Favorite moisturizer on the shelves right now. I love this stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and apply this very generously all over my skin, not forgetting my neck, just all over, and really massaging that in. Next up, today I'm going to go ahead and try the Phillips Milk and Magnesia as a primer today. I used it in my last video, and I will link it up in the description box, well, down in the description box and above me. I did go ahead and use this, but one of my beautiful subscribers, she definitely let me know that I didn't shake it enough. So that's why I wanted to use it again, just to try it out one more time and shake it as much as it needs to be shook. And today, this was just me just trying to see what was going to be different, and do I really like this primer over my Holy Grail calamine lotion. So while I'm fan drying it, let's go ahead and move on to the next part of my makeup. So today we're giving glam, like I told you guys in the intro. So I'm just prepping my eyes right now. I'm not sure the name of this concealer, but it will be down below in the description box. I'm prepping my eyelids with that concealer, and that's because we're going to just put a little bit of color there. So we want the colors to pop and, you know, have something to grip onto. So here I'm just using a very dense brush that's from Real Techniques. It's an eyeshadow blending brush. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this brown shade from my Juvias Place palette. I forgot the name of this palette. I showed you guys, so you guys saw the name. And it will be in the description box too. But I'm just taking that like deep brown shade, and I'm putting that all over my eyelid. I just love having like deep browns on my eyelids when I'm doing natural glam looks. I just feel like it looks so put together, but you still aren't trying too hard. You're not doing too much. All right, next up, I'm going to go ahead and take the Warrior palette. And y'all, it's time for me to buy a new one because these colors is gone. I love this palette, but I'm going to go ahead and take that light brown shade. And I'm just going to pack that on right above the first shade that we put down. And this is just going to start the gradient transition between the two shades. So we're just packing it on. And then I will go ahead and start to blend those two shades together just so we have a nice gradient effect. Next up, taking my favorite Wet n Wild Mega Liner black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just create a liner. And I am gonna wing it out today, but nothing too excessive. How I wing it out, y'all see in the next few seconds, y'all. Please don't judge me. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to take the black eyeshadow. This is so funny, but I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and I'm going to wing it out. Now, the reason why I'm laughing is because this was so extra. First of all, the Anastasia Beverly Hills black eyeshadow is the blackest eyeshadow I've ever seen in my life. It is super, super black. Like, it's not dark gray, girl. It's black. Therefore, there was no reason for me to do this. I feel like I was being extra, so you don't have to do this. Now, to cut myself a little slack, the reason why I did this is I wanted it to have like a kind of smoky eyeliner, but I didn't achieve that. It didn't work. So that just shows sometimes it just don't work out, and that's okay. But let's keep going. I'm being very, very extra in today's video. This is a Glam, okay? And you guys wanted an updated one, and to be honest, this is what I have been doing. Besides the Equate Astringent and the Milk and Magnesia, those two I just added that for the video because I was testing them out and I was out of Noxzema wipes, but everything else is what I have been doing. So I'm taking this very, very light e.l.f. concealer and I'm putting that under my eyelids. This is before the concealer, and this is just prepping my eyes because I want it to be very, very bright. So I use a lot of concealer in this video. It doesn't look cakey, but I just want to put that out there as a FYI because I know a lot of you guys watch my makeup videos and you guys love the fact that they're easy to follow. I'm not using mad steps and anything like that. But keep in mind, this is my personal updated video. So this is what I do personally. But for like my beginner friendly tutorials, I do like to keep it very, very simple. So anyways, I'm talking a lot right now. This is something you don't necessarily have to do, but this is what I've been doing to make my eyes look more brighter.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart.
Next up, I'm taking my Juvias Place foundation in 440 Savannah, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my skin. Now, I know I've been saying for like 20 videos previous to this that I'm going to get a new foundation, which I am. I'm not ready to be doing foundation matching out type of stuff. Like, that takes a lot of my time. And also, I'm waiting to get my hands on that new e.l.f. foundation. I can't get it anywhere, girls. Like, I'm trying to get my hands on it so I can put you guys on. So I'm just using my Juvia's Place until the wheels fall off because I don't even want to speak it into existence. But girl, I got like 2 more pumps before this thing get out on me. Like, knock on wood, because I love that foundation and I don't feel like buying another one. But girl, I be like squeezing that bottle like I'm trying to get the last drop of toothpaste out of it, and it's real ghetto. Like, I need to do better. But anyways, I'm taking my favorite foundation brush and buffing this into my skin. This is the e.l.f. foundation brush. I believe this is the only one that they have labeled like that. It's literally just their foundation brush. I love it. $7 at Walgreens, probably cheaper on Amazon. Get it now. Team Stacey told you so. It's going to change your foundation game 110%. Next up, I'm taking these 2 concealers. One is semi-light and the other one is light. Like I said, I will link every color down below, and next to it I will put which one's the lightest, which one is in the middle, and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and just conceal my face you know, giving very much glam. And then also I'm taking Cinnamon's Elf Camo Concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use that to contour. I've been into cream contour lately. It's been looking so good. Like, y'all know for a long time I just only did powder contour, but I'm into cream. So I'm thinking about either getting Juvia's Place cream contour sticks or just buying the all-time famous, I'm talking about all-time famous, I can't even remember the name. What's them OLP sticks, I think it's called, or Black Radiance. It's one of those sticks. Y'all know which one I'm talking about, like those little foundation sticks. They're just expensive. They're like $10, and I don't want to spend $10 on a foundation stick because I gotta get one for me, and then I gotta get 6 of them for my clients. So yeah, that's just a personal issue here. But anyways, I'm just blending out that contour, you know, making sure the face is nice and warm. I love warm skin. I just love it. So we're just using my Wet n Wild angled brush to blend that in. And after my concealer sat for a little bit, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a sponge that I got from the beauty supply store. It's one of those pink ones from Kiss. Super fluffy. I love them. They are like good dupes for the Real Technique sponges, but I just took that to blend out my face. And then I'm taking a dense brush to blend out my nose contour, which I got this brush from Amazon, and I'm using the same brush to blend out the contour. You want to blend out the lighter portion first on your nose and then the darker portion, because it kind of diffuses the darkness of that contour on your nose so it looks natural. And now finally, we're gonna go ahead and blend out under our eye. I like to try to blend the edges of under my eye first, and then I will work up into like the rest of my eye. In today's video, I'm talking a lot. I'm trying to get real detailed in this video, but also I feel like this is just letting me know I need another beginner friendly, because this is a lot. Like, it's a lot. I feel like if you don't know makeup, this video is probably the tiniest, slimmest bit of intimidating, but I got you guys. I'll make a beginner friendly updated tutorial for you guys very soon, but just let me know if you guys want that down below, because I don't want to make it and you guys don't need it, because I feel like my girlies are graduating. You guys are getting so good with your makeup, and I freaking love that for you guys. I love you guys so much. But here I'm using a new setting powder. This is the Milk one. As you guys can see, this is very brightening. I've had this for probably a year now, and I don't really use it because I love my Laura Mercier, but today I wanted to try something different, mainly because I'm out of my Laura Mercier and I'm not ready to spend $40. So yeah, we're just using this today. It's a good setting powder, nothing bad I can say about it. Be very careful if you have melanin in your skin, because as you can see, it's very bright, okay? So you don't want to be ghosty. But I'm taking my favorite gel liner and we're just lining my waterline. I like lining my waterline with gel opposed to pencils, because I feel like gels come out way more darker. You guys always ask me for what lashes I'm using, so I'm tired of not linking it down below, because once I use a lash, I throw the pack away and I don't remember the number, and I feel so bad when I do that. So I made it my business. I'm like, I'm gonna show them so they don't have to keep asking, and I keep like breaking my brain trying to remember, because I just be throwing it away. But yeah, that's the lashes I'm using. Those packs of lashes are my favorite. I'm gonna tell you right now, my favorite from that brand is number 02, 03s, 11s, 7s. Yeah, those are like my favorite ones. So anytime you see my lashes, probably one of those numbers. Sorry for all the girlies that has asked me what lashes I'm wearing. I love you, don't hate me. I just throw the pack away and I don't remember. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on. Alright, here we're just putting on my lashes. I also have a video, it's an oldie but a goldie. I have a video on my channel on how to apply your lashes if you are struggling with doing that. Very, very detailed, like so freaking detailed. Definitely check it out. It was a few years ago, so don't judge me, but it will definitely help you out for sure. Next up, you guys ask me my lip combo all the time. This is my new favorite one. This is the Gloss Bomb from Ruby Kiss. It's in Baby Doll number 12. And then I also line my lips with the Coffee Nikka K brown pencil. So 9 times out of 10, you're going to see two type of lippies on me. You're either going to see a more natural one, which I'm using the Gloss Bomb Ruby Kiss 02. That's in nude. It's like a more nude, natural kind of vibe. Or you're going to see me with what I'm going to be wearing today, a more brighter, like a brighter pink kind of shade. And that's going to be Baby Doll number 12 Ruby Kiss. I use the same lip liner though, okay? So those are my two favorite lip combos, okay? Super cheap, hair store, get it. Here, I'm using my Kiss Matte setting spray to set up my face. And then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty's highlighter and I'm using Mo Honey to highlight my nose. I'm not highlighting my face today, just my nose and under my eyebrows. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. Today I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a natural glam makeup tutorial. Like I said in the beginning of the video, there's a difference between my everyday makeup and my natural glam makeup. They both start with natural, but one, like this one, is more glam, more blah blah boom, more dramatic, more in your face, whereas the other one is a little bit more everyday friendly. So today we wanted to give the girls a glam, okay? Period. I really love this look. I hope this look was easy to follow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I wanted to get a little bit better with, like, you know, just bringing content to you guys. Also, today has been a very busy day for me. Today is a content day, so I've been doing TikToks and pictures and working promos for my companies and just doing so much stuff today. So my room got a little bit hectic. Like, honestly, just for my background, it's a little hectic right now, but I just really don't even want to pan the camera because it looks crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you made it this far, go ahead and comment down this emoji right here. Comment it, and I know that you made it this far in this video. You know our secret emoji. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. We're lit over here. We're all things beauty, all things makeup. I also do a few vlogs, lifestyle videos, stuff like that, but it's very much giving beauty. If you subscribe to my channel, just know within a few weeks to a month you will learn how to do your makeup, period. That's a guarantee, period. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.